What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft that helps you turn multiple unrelated data sources into valuable and interactive insights. This data may be in the form of Excel spreadsheet or cloud-based or on-premise hybrid data warehouses. You can easily connect to all your data sources and share your insight with anyone.
Why should we use Power BI? Because Power BI provides an easy way for anyone, including non technical people, to connect, change, and visualize their raw business data from many different sources and turn it into valuable data that makes it easy to make smart business decisions. Difference between Power BI and Tableau. Both Tableau and Power BI are current industry data analytics giants, yet there are few significant differences between them. You will now explore the important difference between Tableau and Power BI. Tableau uses MDX for measures and dimensions while Power BI uses DAX. Tableau is capable of handling large volume of data while Power BI is limited to it. Tableau is best suitable for expert while Power BI is both expert and beginners. Tableau user interface is complicated while Power BI is quite simpler. Tableau is capable of supporting the cloud with ease while Power BI finds it difficult. What is Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is an open source application designed and developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect to transform and visualize your data with ease. Power BI Desktop lets users build visuals and collection of visuals that can be shared as reports with your colleagues or your clients in your organizations. What is Power Pivot? Power Pivot in Power BI is a feature that allows users to create sophisticated data models and perform advanced data analysis. Here are some key points to mention. Data modeling. Power Pivot enables you to create relationships between tables, build hierarchies, and define calculated columns and measures. DAX. Use DAX to perform complex calculations and aggregations. DAX is powerful formula language designed for data analysis. Performance. Power Pivot handles large datasets efficiently, allowing for fast querying and analysis. Integration seamlessly integrates with Power BI visualization capabilities, enabling you to create interactive and dynamic reports. What is Power Query? Power Query in Power BI is a powerful tool for data extraction, transformation, and loading. Here are some key points to mention. Data source. Connect to a wide range of data sources, including databases, web services, files, and more. Data transformation. Perform data cleaning, merging, and transformation tasks to prepare data for analysis. User-friendly interface provides a user-friendly interface for data manipulation without needing to write complex code. Loading data. Load the transformed data into Power BI for further analysis and visualization. What is SSBI? Well, SSBI is an abbreviation for Self-Service Business Intelligence and is a breakthrough in business intelligence. SSBI has enabled many business professionals with no technical or coding background to use Power BI and generate reports and draw predictions successfully. Even non-technical users can create these dashboards to help their business make more informed decisions. What is DAX? Well, DAX is a formula language used in Power BI, Power Pivot, and analysis services. It is designed to work with relational data and perform dynamic aggregations and analysis. Key features of DAX. Calculations. Create calculated columns, measures, custom calculations. Functions. Includes a wide range of functions for data manipulation such as mathematical, logical, and text functions. Context. Utilizes raw context and filter context for performing calculation based on the data model. Time intelligence provides functions for time-based calculations such as year-to-date, quarter-to-date, and moving averages. Use cases: business intelligence create dynamic reports and dashboards with complex calculations. Data analysis perform in-depth analysis on large datasets. Time-based analysis analyze trends over time and built-in time intelligence functions. What are filters in Power BI? Well, the term filter is self-explanatory. Filters are mathematical and logical conditions applied to data to filter out essential information in row and column. The following are the variety of filters available in Power BI. Manual filters, auto filters, include exclude filters, drill down filters, cross drill filters, drill through filters, URL filter transient, pass through filters. Mention some advantages of Power BI. Well, some of the advantages of using Power BI are: it helps build an interactable data visualization in data centers. It allows users to transform data into visuals and share them with anyone. It established a connection for Excel queries and export for fast analysis. It provides quick and accurate solutions. It enables users to perform queries on report using simple English words. Limitations of using Power BI. Here are some limitations to using Power BI. Power BI does not accept file sizes larger than 1 GB and does not mix imported data accessed from real-time connections. There are very few data sources that allow real-time connections to Power BI reports and dashboards. It only shares dashboards and reports with users logged in with the same email address. Dashboard does not accept or pass users' account or other entity parameters. Differences in data modeling between Power BI Desktop and Power Pivot for Excel. Power Pivot for Excel supports only single directional relationship, one-to-many, calculated columns, and one import mode. Power BI Desktop supports bi-directional cross-filtering connections, security, calculated tables, and multiple import options. Different connectivity mode available in Power BI. There are three main connectivity modes used in Power BI. First, an SQL Server import is the default and most commonly connectivity type used in Power BI. It allows you to use the full capabilities of the Power BI Desktop. Second, direct query. The direct query connection type is only available when you connect to specific data sources. In this connectivity type, Power BI only stores the metadata of the underlying data and not the actual data. 3. Live connection. With this connectivity type, it does not store data in the Power BI model. All interaction with a report using a live connection will directly query the existing analysis service model. There are only 3 data sources that support the live connection method: SQL Server Analysis Service, Azure Analysis Service, and Power BI dataset hosted in the Power BI service. Various types of refresh options provided in Power BI. 4 important types of refresh options provided in Microsoft Power BI. Package refresh. This synchronizes your Power BI desktop or Excel file between the Power BI service and OneDrive or SharePoint Online. Model or data refresh. This refreshes the data set within the Power BI service with data from original data sources. Tile refresh. This updates the cache for tile visuals every 15 minutes on the dashboard once data changes. Visual container refresh. This refreshes the visual container and updates the cached report visual within a report once the data changes. Difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. In Power BI, Power Query is used primarily for data preparation while Power Pivot is used for data modeling and analysis. Together, they enable you to create powerful and interactive data visualization. Purpose for Power Query is to data extraction, transformation, and loading. For Power Pivot, it is data modeling and analysis. Functionality for Power Query is to connect to various data sources, cleans, transforms, and loads data into Power BI, while for Power Pivot, it is to create data models, define relationships, perform complex calculations using DAX. Interface for Power Query integrated into Power BI desktop for data preparation, while Power Pivot integrated into Power BI desktop for data modeling and analysis. Use case for Power Query is preparing and shaping data before loading into the data model. And for Power Pivot, it is for creating sophisticated data models and performing in-depth analysis within Power BI.